Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Tech. Today, super exciting day. Got another mod in for the 8.6. So, sorry for the camera angle there. But anyways, check it out. Boom. This box here contains, gosh dang it, it's freezing out here. Hang on guys, hang on. All right. Sorry about that. Had to get a jacket. All right, here we are. What could be in the box? I'm gonna have a little unboxing there. Live unboxing the next mod. Oh, dang. You got this one on there pretty good. Did I do that? Oh, it's because I unlocked it and then didn't actually open it. Well, dang, guys. Got this sucker here looking pretty darn good. Well, this is bad video. Alright. Hold up. Alright. Got it open. What could it be? Big long box. Dang. So the box inside the box. Hopefully we won't have to cut again. Cut scene because it's taken me so long to get the box open. Open. Inside the box. It's a bag inside the box. Oh yeah. M-Tech. This is really not the best light in here. It should be like this. There we go. M-Tech. Apologize for the lighting there. Sucks. One day we will get this out and see what it is. Man, there was no way this was getting damaged. This is packaging on top of packaging on top of packaging. Ah, somewhere in here. Ah, here it is. Bam. M-Tech Red. Toyota 8.6. Oh yeah. So this is gonna go. Wakey. Oh. Well, I just unlocked this thing. Go. Ambodo. Right there. Oh, let me go get my light. Right there. See that nasty plastic piece of junk? Look, it's like, here, I'm gonna put my light there. What's this? And you can even hear it, like it rattles when my bass hits in the subwoofer. Thanks for this cheap piece of plastic, Toyota. Well, now it'll be a big piece of metal that says Toyota 86. So instead of cheap plastic, we have big red piece of metal. So this is the M-Tech Red door sills. So cut scene to when I get them. I already have them installed. Oh, I had to show y'all this. Oh my gosh, it was so dirty under that stupid door sill. Jeez. And well, bam, installed. Oh yeah. Toyota 86. And in red, where it matches the Hoonigan sticker up here. I mean, looks a bajillion times better than that plastic piece of crap. But much as I'd like to throw this piece of plastic crap away, I'm keeping it right here with the stock seats. So one day, well, I'm gonna put all this in my attic, but one day I can return all this to stock if I had to. So still got to install the other side though, so cut scene to that. Whew, it was nasty under that one. The passing on the driver's side that I use all the time. Oh, nasty, nasty, nasty. Well, bam. What you think, guys? Light years better than what was there, right? Gotta be light years better. Anyways, just a late night doing a little modding on the car in here in the garage with the wings up. Putting some new door sills on. Oh, just that splash of red just makes the huge difference. Instead of having that corny piece of plastic there, having the stripes that matches the seats and the shift knob and everything else. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyways, hope you guys are doing good out there. I don't know what I might clip this in together with or make a video for it just by itself, but it's a good Friday when you get a new mod, get to throw it in. Got paid too. Hope y'all are having a good day out there. See you soon. Peace.